Now I'm going to share my screen. See. Okay. So today we'll do this. My body. The chapter name is My Body. About my body and my body parts. Okay. The name of your book is My Body and the Body Parts. Before starting the chapter, do one thing. You can see within the box few parts of our body is drawn. So write the name of the body part that you can see in the book. Look at the following picture. Name the body parts which are given below. You can do it by yourself. It's very easy. You should do it. Okay. This one. Do this first. Mopoli, Ashif. Can you see my screen? Okay. So do this. No need to raise the hand unnecessarily. Okay. Upaman Ognidipta. Okay. Yes, Ognidipta Upama, I think both of you have completed. Okay, good. Mopoli Onki do. So this part of our body, this is called face. This is eyes. These are eyes. This is nose. You can see this is picture number D. Picture number D. Who can tell me? Pavan say. Picture number D. Tell me what is this? Pavan, unmute your device.
Man.
Yes.
मैम की बोलबो
Picture number D. What is written? Picture number D.
D.
Picture number D. It is.
আমরা কি
You should tell me. Paban, first,
Yes.
first speak in English. Paban, why repeatedly speak in Bengali? Why? Don't use a single Bengali word in the
Yes.
class. This is D. Tell me. What is this? You can't tell me. You also have this part. Don't you have?
Yes.
Yes. This is hand.
Yes.
Very easy hand. Okay. E. Leg. And F. F.
Tongue.
Tongue. Very good. And speak in English only in the class. Okay. Now let's start. What is written? My body. So in this chapter, you are going to learn about your body, name of the body part. Okay. You can see the picture. Yes. My body. This is my body. I have many parts in my body. They are called organs. So what are organs? The parts of the body are called organs. Okay, just like we say that how many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs we have. So all the body parts are known as organs. Underline the sentence. Underline this sentence. Organs. What are organs? I have many parts in my body. These are called organs. Okay. When I look at myself in the mirror, I see that I have. What do you have? I can see I have a head and it has hair, 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, 2 ears, a tongue, and teeth in my mouth. Yes. So So when the boy, look at the boy, here, ear, nose, lips, skin, eyes, mouth, everything you can see. So if you all have all these body parts, those are known as organs. Okay. Now go to the next page. Okay. Skin. This is the next page, na? Yes. This is page number 1 minute. Yes, page number 9, and this is page number 10. See, a skin which covers my whole body, lives on my face. So this body part also you have, like the boy, you also have the same body part. Yes, skin, you have skin, lips also you have. Now look at this streetlight box. What is saying? We all have a special fingerprint. Underline the word fingerprint. It is different from other fingerprints. Mean the impression of our five finger. Debarpon, why are you laughing? Be attentive. Be attentive. Fingerprints. We all have different fingerprints. Okay, that never match with other one or someone's fingerprint. My body parts. Now look at my hands and feet. Look at the boy. Look at this boy. This boy. These are the parts of my body. Two hands are there. Two legs are there. I have five fingers. I have five toes. Toe. Can you see the toe? Also mark in your own book. These are called toe. Toe. Okay, five toe. TOES, toe. All the finger that we have in our feet. I have two knees. These are called knees. This part is called knee. Understood? Okay. Next, functions of my body. Now we will learn about the functions. Function means what are the purpose of having all these body parts? May they have different function. Just like eye, we can see. I see with the help of my eyes. I hear with the help of my ear. I smell with the help of my nose. Yes, and I speak with the help of my mouth. My skin helps me to feel things, and I taste with the help of my tongue. Understood? Very, very easy thing. Okay, so I see with my eyes, I hear, I see with my eyes, I hear with the help of my ears. I smell with the help of my nose. I speak with the help of my mouth. My skin helps me to feel things, and I taste with the help of my tongue. Clear? Okay. And now we will do the last part of our book. The last part. See what it is written. Here it is written that all our body parts perform different functions. Our body has five sense organs. So how many sense organ our body have? Our body have five sense organ. Five sense organ our body have. Okay. These are ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. Our skin is the largest part of our body. Underline the sentence, very important. Our skin. Our skin is the largest part of our body. So, which is the largest part of our body? Skin is the largest part of our body. We should clean our body parts regularly. We must take care of all our body parts. Understood? Very, very easy chapter. I think it is clear to you all. Okay. Now do one thing. Okay. Do this exercise. Do this. Only exercise A and B. Only exercise A and B. Take the correct option. MCQ. Only A and B. Jishan, Paban, Ridhan, Aishman, Sanchari, Shreyan, Shruti, Ankit, do this. Only exercise A and B. Cab Malik, Indrayut, do. Afrin, Mopoli, Samaita, Ashif, Moulisha, do this. There are many or three parts in our body. There are many or three parts. Who can tell me? Shubham say. Shubham. Or Shomodip tell me. Shomodip tell me. Unmute your device. Unmute your device. Yes, tell me. There are many or three parts in our body. Say,
One,
Shomodip,
two, three. I
there are
find
many or
many.
three. There are many or three parts. Many or three parts in our body. What happened? There are many parts, not only three parts. You can see na many parts in our body. So answer will be many. Okay. Who want to say? Molisha. Molisha, tell me. Our nose or eyes help us to see. Our nose or eyes help us to see. Our nose or eyes help us to see. Exercise 2. A2.
Yes.
Our nose or eyes help us to see. Which one? Which is the correct answer? Open page 11. Open page 11. Open page 11.
Okay.
Page 11. A2. A2. Our nose or eyes help us to see.
Eyes.
Our eyes help us to see. Very, very good. Very good. Acha, Mopoli, tell me. Mopoli, network problem. Mopoli?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, say. Our head or tongue help us to test. Our head or tongue helps us to test.
Tongue.
Our tongue. Very, very good. Very good. Okay. Afrin, tell me. Afrin. Afrin. Okay, Afrin, tell me, we have legs or teeth in our mouth? We have legs or teeth in our mouth? Hmm?
Teeth.
Teeth. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Next, Mariam. Mariam, unmute your device. Mariam, unmute your device. Mariam, unmute your device. Tell me, our head has hair. It is true or false? Our head has hair. Our head. Do you have hair on your head? Do you have hair on your head?
No.
No, don't you have hair? So this is true or false? This is true. Do you have na? Do you have? Yes, true. It will be true. Okay, mute your device. Okay. Shorish, tell me. Shorish, tell me. Tell me. We have two noses. We have two noses. Is it true or false? We have. Do you have two noses? False. Why false? Why it is false? Because we have only one nose. Yes?
One.
Oh, okay. Very, very good. Okay, good. Okay. Now go to the next page. Let me check what is there. Okay. Our skin, our skin covers our whole body. Who will say? Who can say? Let me check. Mm. Audrija, tell me. Audrija Koyal, unmute your device. Audrija Koyal. Audrija Koyal, unmute your device.
জিজা
Audrija.
ম্যাম কি বলছে?
Audrija.
Yes, ma'am, বলো।
Yes, ma'am.
Audrija, tell me. Our skin covers our whole body. It is true or false?
বলো 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 এ দেখো বলো।
Tell me. Our skin covers our whole body. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Very good. Okay. Next. Okay, okay. Sufyan. Sufyan, unmute your device, Sufyan. Can you hear me? Sufyan,
Yes,
don't put camera, don't put it off. Tell me, we have 6 fingers in each hand. We have 6 fingers in each hand. Do you have six
Yes.
finger? Yes, okay, count. How many finger do you have? Count. How many finger you have? In one hand, how many finger you have in one hand? Count. We have 5 finger in one hand. Yes, so it is written here that we have 6 finger in each hand. So it will be false. Okay, next. There are 5 sense organs in our body. There are 5 sense organ in our body. Who will say? No. Ashif, tell me. Ashif, tell me. Those who not responding at all. Ashif, tell me. There are 5 sense organs in our body. It is true or false? It is
True.
not true. This is
True.
called true. Say true. Say true. Say again. True, true. Say true. Very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, but pronounce the word properly. It is true. Okay. Do you think you can see various things with your nose? Why? And how can you help a person who is blind? Discuss in the class. Okay, no need to do this think and answer part. Okay, no need to do.